The untold truths about fitness for seniors that everyone should know. Most people over 60 miss these small but life-changing habits. Are you one of them? It's no secret that aging comes with its challenges: stiff joints, slower recovery times, and an energy level that's not what it used to be. But here's the shocking truth. Most seniors are missing a critical element when it comes to fitness. What's worse, this one simple mistake can actually accelerate the aging process, leaving you feeling weaker, slower, and more vulnerable to injury. The problem isn't that seniors don't exercise, it's that they're often doing the wrong kinds of exercises. While cardio might seem like the go-to choice for staying healthy, it's strength training that truly holds the key to maintaining independence, mobility, and vitality as you age. Here's why. As we get older, we lose muscle mass about 3-8 per decade after age 30, and the rate accelerates after 60. This loss isn't just about looking toned. It impacts your bone density, balance, and ability to perform everyday tasks. If you're relying solely on walking or swimming to stay active, you might be neglecting the most important type of exercise that can help you age better. So, what's the secret? It's not just about staying active, it's about incorporating strength training into your routine, even if you've never lifted a weight before. Strength training has been shown to improve everything from bone health to mental clarity, and even help prevent chronic conditions like arthritis and diabetes. Plus, it can boost your metabolism, helping you maintain a healthy weight without drastic diets or restrictions. But here's the catch. Many seniors avoid strength training because they fear injury, or they believe it's too late to start. The truth is, strength training can be safe and incredibly effective for seniors as long as it's done properly. Low-impact exercises, resistance bands, and body weight exercises can be a great place to begin. Incorporating even 20 minutes of strength training into your weekly routine can make a huge difference. Not only will you see improvements in muscle tone, but you'll also feel stronger and more confident. Imagine being able to carry your groceries, get up from a chair without help, or walk longer distances without tiring. These small changes can dramatically improve your quality of life and delay the onset of age-related physical decline. So, if you're over 60 and still not incorporating strength training into your fitness routine, it's time to change that. Your future self will thank you.